In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update progress in Microsoft Project. Keeping your plan aligned with reality is essential, and Microsoft Project gives you several reliable ways to record what's actually happened. Let's start with the most direct approach, entering actual dates. In the Gantt chart view, select the task you want to update. On the Task tab, open the Mark on Track dropdown and choose Update Tasks. In the dialog, type the actual start, and if the work is done, the actual finish. Click OK. As a heads up, the moment you enter an actual finish, Project automatically marks that task as 100% complete, which is perfect for closed work and a common source of confusion if you're still expecting additional updates. If you prefer to track progress by how far along a task is, you can use percent complete. In the Gantt chart, find the percent complete column and type a value, such as 25%, 50%, or 75%. You'll see the Gantt bar fill accordingly, giving a quick visual of progress versus the original plan. This method is great for high-level reporting and quick check-ins. When you need to update several tasks at once, multi-select them with Control-click or Shift-click. On the Task tab, click 100%. Complete to close them all in one go. Alternatively, use Mark on Track to set them to the scheduled percent complete based on where they should be today. This batch approach is especially helpful at the end of a reporting period when you're aligning progress across many activities. For broader updates tied to a specific cutoff date, use the Update Project feature. Go to the Project tab and click Update Project. Choose Update Work as complete through and enter the status date you're reporting against. Decide whether to apply this to selected tasks or the entire project, then click OK. Project will advance the percent complete for tasks that should have progressed by that date, aligning your plan with your reporting horizon. Finally, if you're tracking effort or durations more precisely, update actual work or remaining duration. In the Task Sheet or Task Usage view, show the work table and enter actual work. Project recalculates percent. Work complete and remaining work automatically. To refine timelines, switch to the tracking table in Task Sheet and update actual duration or remaining duration. Project recalculates percent complete, so your schedule reflects the latest reality. Use these options consistently, and your schedule will remain trustworthy, visual, and ready for informed decisions.